Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello tea lovers. In this video I will explain how to make Qawah tea, a delightful and aromatic beverage from Kashmir. This traditional green tea is known for its unique blend of warming spices and is often enjoyed with a sprinkle of nuts. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the perfect serving. Get ready to create a truly comforting and flavorful cup of Qawah tea right in your own kitchen. Now let's prepare our aromatic spice blend. You'll want to gather a 2-inch cinnamon stick, 2 or 3 green cardamom pods, and 2 cloves. For a beautiful floral hint, add about 5 or 6 dried rose petals. Lightly crush these whole spices using a mortar and pestle to help release their full, wonderful aromas. This step is key to infusing your Qawah with rich, complex flavors. Next, we move to the brewing process. In a saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a gentle boil. Once boiling, add your crushed spices and dried rose petals. Reduce the heat and let this mixture simmer for approximately 10 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to fully infuse. Crucially, remove the pan from the heat before adding 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves, then steep for 2 to 3 minutes to prevent bitterness. For the perfect finish, sweeten your Qawah tea with about 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey, adjusting to your preference. Strain the tea into small, traditional cups, ensuring a clear, beautiful brew. For an authentic touch, garnish each cup with 3 or 4 delicate saffron strands. Finally, add a sprinkle of thinly sliced almonds. Serve your warm, aromatic Qawah tea immediately and enjoy this comforting, flavorful experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.